Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So in this video I'm going to show you how I can fix the error that you get on the APM board, which is no heartbeat packet received. So today I'm going to show you how I can fix this problem with your APM board, and it really doesn't matter which board of APM you're using. It can be the 2.6, 2.7 or 2.8. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, close everything on your laptop and clear everything up and freshly open up the Mission Planner software. So right now, as you can see that it is set on auto mode. So over here you can select the COM port and the baud rate from which you need to connect to your APM. So right now it is set on auto, and we need to manually select the COM port that we need to connect. And to do that, first we'll connect our APM to the computer, and as you can see that the lights started to flash on the APM board as well. Then we can go ahead and right click on the start menu and go to device manager. From here we can see that there is a additional option, ports, right over here, and once we click on the arrow beside it, we can see that it says Arduino Mega 2560 at COM7. So APM is actually a Arduino based board, so that's why it is showing Arduino Mega and it is on COM7. So from here you can see that which COM port is being used for the APM. Now we can close up the device manager and go to our COM port selection right over here, and from the drop down menu you can see that it is written over here COM7 Arduino Mega. So we are going to click on it, and now the baud rate should be selected at your choice, and you must need to decide which baud rate you need to select. And there are a lot of baud rates, so you can test with them every time you connect the board to the top. Okay, so I'm going to start with 1200 baud rate and click on connect, and right now it is saying Mavlink connecting, and right now it is saying trying to connect, timeout in 24 seconds or whatever. So right now at this point I know that the board is not going to be connected to the computer, so I'm going to click on cancel. So let me try a different baud rate, and this time 2400, and click on connect again, and again it is saying timeout in 26 seconds. So this is also not the correct baud rate, so I'm going to click on cancel. And just like that, you have to select different baud rates to check whether your APM is connected to the computer or not. So in my case it is the LM5200. This is the baud rate that my APM is going to connect, and once I select the button and click on connect, as you can see that it is now getting all the parameters necessary for the connection, and my drone is showing on over here, which is my false location. I don't know why it is showing that. So right now as you can see that it is connected to the Mission Planner software, so I'm going to click on OK, and that's it, you are done. So that's it, how you get past the heartbeat packet not received error. So all you gotta do is find the right baud rate for your APM board. Now another thing that causes this problem is that your board might be defective. So it is either the baud rate on the COM ports, or your board might be defective. So you will need to contact your supplier or the seller from where you purchased it, because if the board is defected, then it is no fault of yours, it is the fault of the seller, and they have to send you a replacement. And in my case the board was not defected, and it was just a error of selecting the right COM port and the right baud rate. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.